Right, just walking down to the apiary now. Behind me is like the kids' playground and various other bits with loads like paddocks with like sheep and different animals in it. Sheep and goats mostly. Right, so I'm going to get the shot of this here. So this is the Leeds Beekeepers Association, and as far as I know, they've got like various hives in here. So I've been reading about different hives dating back from when they were first. Well, the first hives were just basically wicker baskets. Then they developed into, well, see these white ones here, so things that look more like that over the years. So WBC. And here we got how to attract bees to your garden. So if I just, let's say on HD, so hopefully you'll be able to read some of this. Basically, worker bees visit your garden and various flowers they're attracted to. So you got like the heathers, the thyme, pot marigolds, thistles, lupins, and those others. Or the teasel plant as well. Like look, various like thistles there. We've got alliums growing, some sort of onion, or might be a shallot actually, because there's two together. Got foxgloves there, and a mature foxglove just there as well. Right, so these are all flowers like planted for bees. There's a bee there just in the foxglove. There you go. So it's working. This is a bee bowl. Yeah, so I suppose you can always pause it so you can read it all. Hope this works. I've not tried doing that before with text. It's supposed to be a HD camera. I think I've got it set up right. Got bee friendly plants there in autumn. So we've got the ivy, sedums, red hot pokers, Japanese anemone, pansies and autumn heather. And in winter, honia, crocus, viburnum, Christmas rose, winter aconite, I suppose it is. Others hazel snowdrops, there you go. Others aster. And we got springtime, viburnum, lungwort, Mexican orange blossom, apple, malus, grape, cherry, and then in summer got the alliums, the onion family, butterfly bush, which is the buddleia, mock orange, the lime. I'm looking for limes. You see them around, but you're supposed to be able to eat the young leaves. I have to check that. The hebe and hardy geraniums. They've got some others there as well. Yep. And this is the display of the different hives they got. So got the cottager. It tells you about inside the hive, what it's like. We got the Langsworth. That's a Langsworth hive there, tells you about it. There's a bit of poop on there, so you probably won't be able to understand what the top part is. But there you go. Got the WBC hive. So information about that. And we've got the Darlington long bee hive. Dartington, actually there. There's all the container beehives there, and actual bees are coming in and out of that, like streaming in and out of it. Might be able to pick it through here, I don't know, especially down there. Don't think I can zoom in on this one. And you got National Beehive here. Okay. Right, so I hope this is going to be really useful for people into beekeeping. Got various other plants up here as well. We've got like an apple, honeysuckle, possibly a damson, clematis, and what's that one? Clematis again. Probably clematis as well. Right, so that's really handy, and that's the Leeds Beekeepers Association. Right, loads of information here anyway, and this is in Temple Newsham Farm in Leeds. Right, bye.